The 8 Phases of the Moon by Infotopia. How many of the 8 moon phases can you name? Have you ever wondered what causes the different shapes or phases of the moon? There are 8 phases of the moon. These are caused by the positions of the Earth, the Moon, and the Sun as the Moon orbits around the Earth. The phases that we see from Earth are caused by the angle of the Moon lighted by the Sun. Imagine the Earth in the center, with the Sun coming from the right and the Moon revolving around the Earth. The lunar month is the approximately 29.5 days that it takes to go through the 8 phases from one new moon to the next. In phase 1, the new moon, the moon is between the Earth and the Sun. We actually see no moon because the Sun is not lighting up the moon at all. In phase 2, the waxing crescent moon, we see a thin crescent that waxes or appears to grow fatter every night. Phase 3 is the first quarter moon, and we can see half the moon. Phase 4 is a waxing gibbous moon. This means that the moon is becoming gibbous. That is, it is larger than a half moon and is getting fatter each night. When we see the entire moon from one side, it is phase 5, the full moon. Following the full moon, the moon wanes or grows thinner each night, and we have phase 6, the waning gibbous moon. When we can see half of the moon again, it is phase 7, the third quarter moon. In phase 8, the moon is a waning crescent moon, right before the phases start over and before it becomes a new moon again. Can you name the phases of the moon? Watch this video of the phases of the moon. How many of the phases can you recognize? Do you now know the difference between a waxing and a waning moon? Try it now. How many can you name? For more information on the moon, go to infotopia.info. See you next time.